Good morning. My name is Matt Haverty. I'm from Kansas City. 20 years ago, China unleashed capitalism within its borders. Since then, I believe it has benefited more from that economic system than any major country in history. I also believe that this momentum, combined with China's size and demographics, will make it the most fertile economic environment in the world during the next few decades. Nonetheless, there are many Chinese companies with easy-to-understand businesses and 20% per annum sales growth this decade, trading at 5 times or less last year's earnings. What is your assessment of the risk-reward of investing directly in Chinese companies?
Well, I don't know that much about them, but certainly if I could buy companies that were earning 20% on equity and had promises, gave promise of being able to continue to do that while reemploying most of the capital, and they were selling at 5 times earnings, and I felt good about the quality of the earnings. I would say that would have to be an interesting field. My guess is that it's not a large enough field in terms of the ones that meet those tests you named for Berkshire to profitably participate. And whether you could buy all of those companies from the U.S., I think there could well be a lot of problems in that. But I would say anytime you can buy good businesses, really good businesses, which we define as businesses that earn high returns on capital at 5 times earnings, and you believe in the quality of the earnings, and they can reemploy a significant portion of those earnings additionally at the 20% rate, you will make a lot of money if you're right in your assessment on that. Charlie?
Yeah, I don't know much about China.
But that is not to knock it in any way, shape, or form, because I mean, in terms of there could well be opportunities in areas like that. If you can identify those kind of businesses, we would have trouble identifying those businesses ourselves. But that doesn't mean that you will have trouble, or other people that are much more familiar with the economy there would have trouble. So I encourage you to look at your own area of expertise in something like that, and you'll do much better if the conditions you describe exist and you can identify the right company. You will do much better in that than you will in American markets, in my view. Zone 5.